Hey, everybody, it's Jace from Collision Hub, and I am with Brandon Eckenrode from the Collision Repair Education Foundation. And today I'm excited to announce a partnership that we've created with the Collision Repair Education Foundation to raise some funds for career and technical school and college collision repair programs across the country during the inaugural Collision Hub World's Fair and Exposition. So, hey, Brandon, before we talk about the fundraiser that we're going to do for the schools, can you just give us a real quick overview of what the foundation does and how you help the industry?
Sure. And thank you, Jason, for having me on. I think you'd ask anybody within the industry, they would probably tell you one of the top things, top issues within the industry is the need for properly trained, qualified entry-level staff to help address the aging workforce issue that this industry has. So the foundation supports all high school and college collision school programs, students, and instructors around the country. So this is a high school shop class, community college, technical school college. We're there to support the future of the industry, and we can only do that through our industry partners.
Well, as you know, the Collision Repair Education Foundation is one of my favorite charities, my favorite 501c3. It's a nonprofit charitable organization, and I certainly appreciate everything that you do. So why don't we tell everybody what we're going to do to raise some money for schools?
Absolutely. So during the Collision Hub World Fair and Exposition, we'll be kind of engaging with your attendees and inviting the attendees to make a $40 donation to the foundation, and in exchange, as you're doing so well, modeling off a Cintas technician shirt that will have the foundation patch, it'll have the Collision Hub logo, and then some of your event sponsors on the sleeves. So we'll be sending that off to those that are able to make that donation for $40 during the event. And we look forward to working with them, which again helps support the schools, which is, like you said, also important.
Yeah, and I mean, I love my shirt, and I wear it often. And I know a lot of people say, like, "Hey, where can I get a shirt like that?" And it's usually been like, "Hey, these are for the students only." But now through the Collision Hub World's Fair and Exposition, and it's pretty much we're calling it a 2-week telethon to support schools through the foundation. You can have your very own, or if you just want to make a straight donation, we can certainly do that as well. Or if you want to make a donation and supply a student with a shirt, we'll have that option as well. Is that correct?
Absolutely. And like you said before, we are a 501c3, so any support to us is tax deductible. We're a large full-time staff of 3, so anyone giving can rest assured of the fact that the support they give goes back to the schools. We return 90 cents of every dollar going back to the schools. So again, we would appreciate the help, and we thank you, Collision Hub, for supporting us as always.
Awesome. And so Brandon and I are going to have a little interview session as we kick off the telethon on Monday, November 9th at 11 a.m. Central Time. So I'd love to have you tune in for that and learn a little bit more about what the foundation does to support the schools. And like I said, encourage you to visit Collision Repair Education Foundation and make a donation and get yourself one of these nice technician shirts.
Absolutely. Look forward to seeing you there.
All right. Thanks, Brandon. Appreciate it.
Yep. Take care.